he?
Jeff,
What?
you need to make a video.
There's a damn video. Let's have the mic on. Hey, it's Shovelhead Fedge out in the Shovelhead shed, and it has been a hot minute since I've actually been on my channel doing anything. Appreciate all you guys checking in. I had to take some time off. You know, since I started this channel, my parents have died, Miss Dee Dee's parents have died and stuff like that. So we've had to close up houses, deal with estates, and you know, and stuff like that. So the last few months has just been very hectic for me, and I'm sure it's hectic for everybody else. Plus, there was a lot of projects that I needed to get done and taken care of, and unfortunately, instead of taking care of those projects, I ended up getting more projects. So the shop has been super busy. Well, let me show you. This is my 1980 FLH shovel. No, it's not a giveaway bike. This is a new one that I just got. It's a Dyna, a 1993 Evo, all chromed out, great looking bike. You've seen this bike. I'm just finishing up some clutch work. I think my brothers ended up buying that bike, as well as this is a 1985 FX WG with a kicker. And I'm just redoing the heads, doing the whole top end, finishing all that up. This is my ongoing project for I don't know how many years. This is another ongoing project. And this is another bike that I just acquired. In fact, I'm rebuilding the carburetor on it. Man, I made a mess with this crap. Just picked this one up, and so I'm waiting for parts on this one. This is my I think it's a 62 or 64 Allstate Vespa. It's really cool. I believe I should be able to get it running pretty soon. I got all the seats and everything for it. This is my trike. This is a 1979, if I remember right, 1979. You know, I just can't remember it all. I'll get with this. You know what? I'll tell you about this bike later, some other time. Anyway, so I've got all these bikes that I'm dealing with right now. So I've just been really super busy. I know that it's no excuse. You know, you guys are like friends and family, and you know, sometimes we treat friends and family like crap, and I do apologize. I've got a lot of new subscribers, even though I've been kind of on a hiatus. You know, I have been going out to events. It's kind of cool to be able to go to events and not really worry about cameras, filming, and all that stuff, and just going out there as just like everybody else, you know what I mean? Just enjoying the day, enjoying the time, and all that stuff. So I did meals at Forgotten Angels. You know, I've been to the Webster swap meets. I've been to several bike events. Got Leesburg coming up. Just did Arcadia. So got a lot of events coming up. But I'm getting back into filming. And what I was saying earlier, I know I'm rambling. I got a lot of new subscribers. And for the new subscribers, my name is Jeff. Everybody calls me Fedge, Shovelhead Fedge. My channel is about taking old motorcycles and finding them, get them from the forgotten barns and the heat piles, and try to bring them back to life. I'm not interested in stripping off parts and selling them on Facebook Marketplace. You know, to be honest with you, I succumb to greed, or the need for money, actually. And I started to do this on this one. You know, just buy it for parts, use it as a parts bike, sell the motor, sell the transmission, and all that, you know. And I'd have made good money, but I said, no, there's just no way, man. There's no way. There's nothing wrong with the bike. It's matching numbers. Everything is good. What's the sense in doing that? So I'd rather lose the money, or rather make less money, and to restore the bike. It makes me feel good, and then eventually I end up doing it as a giveaway on this channel. Most of them. Sometimes I don't. Sometimes I get buyers and end up buying them and stuff like that. So pretty much almost any bike that you see on this channel is for sale, parts and stuff like that. If you happen to see something like my economy tractor over there, yeah, that's for sale. I don't actively sell anything. If somebody sees something, they want to buy it, okay, cool. So anyway, big congratulations to Josh Reed, who won the last bike, which was a 1980. Was that FXE? 1980 Shovelhead. So many bikes, and I can't remember them. People say, people always ask me, what year motorcycle is that? And I'll be honest with you, that I have so many, I can't remember all the years. So that's why I think it's on here. That's why I'll have to, sorry about that. I'll try to write the year on the bike so I can remember. Yeah, which one is which. So anyway, this bike right here, this orange one right there, man, it had a tag from 2004. It's been sitting since almost 2002 or 2003. It hasn't been rode. It literally was in a garage, a barn find, but a real barn find, and just sat there. And so I'm bringing it back to life. I'm not going to strip the parts off and sell them, like I said. So anyway, I'm rambling. Josh, congratulations on the bike. Dude, thank you for the gifts. And you know what you got me, and I do appreciate it. In fact, we got a little video of it. I thought I lost all the footage, but I ended up finding the footage, which was really cool. So this is the footage of him getting the bike and us taking a little bit of ride. And so the video's that way. Like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. We will be doing another giveaway. I'm going to announce it pretty soon. Yeah. And so, yeah. There's the video. You got smoke? Yeah. Hello. I'm recording. Hey, Shovelhead Fed, outside the Shovelhead shed, and I'm with
Josh Reed.
He didn't have to say his last name, but he's kind of cool like that. He's here to pick up the that piece of crap giveaway bike that I finally got rid of. No, it's a great bike. I think he's gonna really enjoy it. We're gonna take a ride, him and not him because he's a sissy. We're gonna take a ride to Sebring. We're gonna take a ride to somewhere, Sebring, and bring the bike back. Peace. Sissy. It's on its way to Indiana. Cool guy. Cool guy. Miss Dee Dee, as beautiful as she is, she don't want to be on camera because she don't have her makeup on. Isn't that right? Josh Reed, the gentleman that bought the, I just got back from a long ride. Actually, taking Mr. Reed, the bike. He just won the bike. Bringing him to Sebring, bringing him the bike to Sebring. We rode it out. Me, Chopper Rod. Well, you already seen that video. But anyway, he left us with a box, a gift. Oh my sweet Lord. Oh my God, look at that. I bet after my own Lord. Yeah, you can have the chocolate. I'm taking this and this. Awesome. Check it out.
Yeah.
Want one?
No. You can have them all.
And look, you even get a bag.
For your chocolates.
Well, in case we re-gift them.
Nope, not gonna re-gift those.
Josh, thank you very much. Enjoy the bike. Really do appreciate it. Appreciate the the gifts, man. That's awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you. Love you, no homo.
Jeff! What? Jeff!
What?
You've got to put an end to this video.
The end!